How's everybody doing tonight? We're going to try the ghost paper challenge. You take yourself a candle, a piece of paper, and a pencil. What it is you write down a question. You knock on the door 3 times. We're in the bathroom of my house. Is the easiest empty room. Linen closet's empty. Here's the bathtub is empty. So we got an empty room. You're supposed to take a paper, a pencil, write your question down, and you knock on the door 3 times. Then you then you ask, Spirit of the door, we welcome you. Make yourself present and come through the door. And then you slide the paper halfway underneath the door. If there's a ghost in the house, it's supposed to pull the rest of the paper through and answer it. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to try this and let's see what happens. Now, I'm not going to edit because if you edit, it's very easy for you to slip people through because it's stop and start. You don't know how much time there is. So I'm not going to edit. In fact, let me light this candle up first so I can see. Because if I edit, like I said, I can sneak somebody through, and I want you to know I'm really doing this. Alright. Okay. There's our candle going. And we're going to go out here. We're going to turn this light off. We're going to come back in. And here's my recite paper. And I've had to get myself a phone book because of the rug. And I'm going to start off by is there a ghost? Okay. Now I'm supposed to knock 3 times. And then I'm supposed to recite, Spirit of the door, we welcome you. Make yourself present and come through the door. Now, we're supposed to push the paper halfway through. Oh, you gotta be kidding. I always wondered about this house. My house is a remodel. The original half is over 100 years old. And evidently there is something in the house. So I guess asking that first question, is there a ghost, wasn't even worth asking. You're only allowed 3 questions. So we're going to throw the 3 questions out. Let's see if they know they're in the house. Here it comes. And there is a big yes. I guess you can see that. Let me put it up this way. There's a big yes. So, yes, there is a ghost in the house, which I knew as soon as the paper moved. That was a stupid question. I just gave one up for free. I'm going to ask, are you male? Okay. And then we're supposed to ask, Spirit of the door, we welcome you. Make yourself present and come through the door. And start sliding this underneath in the pencil. And this is absolutely crazy. It went right underneath the door. Oh my. This is absolutely freaking me out. It's coming back. Are you male? And it says no. So I guess it's a female ghost. I don't mean to be rude, people, but I'd almost rather have a male ghost than a female ghost. And let me ask, do you mean any harm? You know what? Before I put this through, I'm going to break one of the rules. And I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to open this door up. And I'm going to see. There is nothing in here. Absolutely nothing. This is freaking me out. I'm going to get this last question, and I think we're going to end this session. You got to finish it through, so I'm going to have to go ahead and finish it. I wrote down, do you mean any harm? Pushing the wrong buttons. 2, 3. And I'm supposed to ask, Spirit of the door, we welcome you. Make yourself present and come through the door. My God, this is starting to really freak me out. The hair on the back of my neck that I didn't shave off is just standing. It went absolute. I barely got it out of my hand and it went through the door. Now this is absolutely freaking me out now. Now this is starting to get to me. This is a little bit too much. Let me wait for this paper to come through. And we're going to end this session. I don't have a good feeling about this at all. I don't like this at all. Comes the paper back through. Do you mean us any harm? And it wrote no. That makes me feel a little better, but not that much better. So let's go ahead and get this candle and get this paper. I'm going to burn it and end this session. And you're supposed to burn it with the same candle that you did your session with. All right, we're done with that. I'm done playing with that one. All right, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment. You know, I would love a comment. Subscribe, hit your notification button. I'd like to see what you think about this, because that's one of the crazier things that I've seen. And I appreciate your time. Enjoy, everybody.